That looks like it could be Minnesota or North Dakota, but not, Louisiana.
I know, unbelievable. My parents were just sending in pictures to me near Columbia, South Carolina.
Yeah.
4 inches of snow, but now they're getting the freezing rain on top of it, which is
fun.
Really bad. ½ an inch of that stuff, and you can see widespread power outages. So
wow.
Nasty for sure. We're seeing a little bit of snow.
Yeah, a little bit.
But nothing like what's going on in the southeast. Here's a look at our Angel Fire camera, and you can see that it started off earlier, about 3 hours ago, with a lot of cloud cover around and a little bit of snow blowing around there. We are starting to see the cloud cover, though, start to break up a bit. And as you head through the rest of the day, you may see another spot snow shower, too, mainly light snow. But that's going to be about it. Just get ready for the cold, because that is pouring into the state as we speak. TAOS Ski Valley, starting to see the cloud cover break up there, as well as after you picked up a couple of inches of snow over the night hours and earlier this morning. And of course, we've had pictures sent in too over in the northeast. That's where all the action has shifted now. Wagon, Mound, up in the northeastern part of the state. A picture here showing 2 inches of snow on the ground there, and you could pick up another dusting of snow as we head through the rest of the afternoon. Here's where it is right now on the radar. You can see right along I-40 here over near Santa Rosa, some light snow there moving to the east, and also just to the north of Tucumcari, some more light snow moving to the north and east. So again, Sangre de Cristo Mountains may see a few more snow flurries there, also in the Sandias, but most of the action now again over the northeastern part of the state, and that's really where it's going to stay at most, picking up 1 to 2 inches more of snow up in the higher terrain. Back to the west, things are finally starting to clear out, a little lingering cloud cover in western New Mexico, and things will continue to clear out as we head through the rest of the day and overnight tonight, but another disturbance could bring a little bit more snow across the central part of the state. So let's track it with Superstorm Track. Again, this is going to continue to move out of here. We do have that winter weather advisory until 5 o'clock up in the northeast. After that, tonight and by tomorrow morning, looking at mostly clear conditions, and then going into tomorrow afternoon, staying nice and dry. Overnight tomorrow night, and as we head toward early Wednesday morning, we could see some snow across west central New Mexico, and then perhaps even getting into the central part of the state and down into the southeast. So we're going to keep a close eye on that as we get closer to Wednesday. Again, right now, the big story is the cold. 31 degrees with winds out the north at 13 miles per hour. So it feels like it's in the low 20s for the metro right now. And then across the state, that cold air is starting to slip into the northern part there. 24 in Clayton, 25 in Taos, 31 again in the metro. But with the winds out of the northwest, 15 to 25 miles per hour, it only feels like it's in the single digits over the northeast. 21 in Albuquerque, and that colder air is going to continue to pour in. A lot of you over in the northwest, northeast, looking at temperatures below 0 tonight. Northwest getting cold, blustery, 21 in Durango, 23 in Farmington. Temperatures tonight down to 14 below in Durango, 6 below in Farmington. Then tomorrow, highs only in the teens and 20s. Will gradually climb into the low 30s by the end of the week. For the southwest, cooler and breezy with highs in the 40s and 50s, then down into the teens and 20s tonight. Southeast, not as warm, but the cold air will take its time getting here. 55 in Roswell, though Tucumcari, Clovis looking at highs only in the 20s and 30s today. Roswell down to 16 degrees tonight, bitterly cold to start off tomorrow, and then highs only in the 30s tomorrow afternoon. Up in the northeast, a few more snow showers are possible. May pick up a dusting to a couple of inches with temperatures only in the teens and 20s. And then as we head toward the northern mountains, a few snow showers are possible, mainly in the form of very light snow. Overnight lows down to 0 and below. Santa Fe topping out only in the 20s today and tomorrow. Your forecast for the East Mountains shows temperatures here on the cold side in the low to mid-30s, then down into the single digits and below 0 tonight. Metro, partly cloudy, highs in the upper 30s to around 40 degrees. Again, it will feel like it's in the 20s all day long, then down into the single digits and teens tonight, low teens. 37 tomorrow, but then by the end of the week, certainly looking better. Highs near 50 by Friday, so I am ready for the end of the work week.
It seems like a long way off.
It does.
Okay, Kristen, thank you. Well, there's nothing